is the first time I've been riding shotgun since Chris has pulled the RV. I've always been following him in the 4Runner, checking everything out from behind, checking out his behind.
I'm always all by myself pulling this big bastard.
Well, I'm driving on a bumpy road in my
Plan today is we're going to go to Dripping Springs and we're going to check out where we're taking the RV to get the frame fixed, just to get a look at it, and then we're going to go to the grocery store, and then we're going to go buy the RV and try to get a lot of heavy stuff out of it, you know, a lot of glass and stuff like that, and to try to make it as light as possible, because we're going to have to transport it from where we used to work to this RV repair place with the slightly warped frame. So I want to make it as light as possible. So that's what we're up to today.
And after we've got it all packed up, we've got some bombs that we're going to be setting off, because we picked up some roaches in Alabama and we've been dealing with them and fighting with them ever since. This will be the third time we've tried bombing it. We've tried all the popular things that everyone has said, and none of it seems to work. These are some kind of mutant roaches. They got teeth, and they fly.
They carry around little pocket calculators and stuff. It's weird.
Take their little monocules out, put it in.
And they have spaceships.
Well, that's how they fly. Anyway, we're done with them. We're just going to bomb everything and hopefully say goodbye to those once and for all. We have the ortho home defense that everybody talks about. It hasn't killed the ones we have, but we're hoping that by putting it down after we get rid of all of these, so we don't invite any new ones in.
That'll keep them from coming back, maybe.
So, hoping to take care of two nightmares for us this week. The frame on the RV, getting that worked on, and also the Alabama mutant roaches.
Yes.
Teenage mutant Alabama roaches.
They're in there singing "Sweet Home." This RV repair place, we're bringing our RV, and this place is full of Airstreams. It's amazing. So many of them. Yeah.
The guy in the black hat over here is who we talked to on this side. We came here to check out Motivated RV. They're the ones that are going to be fixing our frame issue, our bent frame.
Look at the tire on the inside, make sure it's not gonna pop.
Yeah.
If it does, it's gonna tear up the tire.
Yeah.
That's not good.
I know, but I don't know what else to do, you know.
How far are you driving?
From
An hour and 20 minutes. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
If it's not rubbing anymore, you should probably be fine.
Yeah.
If you get a flat tomorrow, so call me, because I can send one of the guys that we have extra tires.
Oh, great.
Yeah. So if you don't make it, call me. We'll figure out a way to get you.
Yeah, I'll probably take it like 30 miles an hour all the way here.
That's probably smart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway, we'll get you squared away. We'll
Right.
look for you around noon.
Okay.
Call the office number if something happens,
Okay.
and we'll see if we can just take care of it.
Hey, appreciate it, man.
Awesome, man. See you guys tomorrow.
Isn't it? Kind of reminds me of that thing in, was it Stripes?
Yeah. Man, that is badass. I guess this wouldn't be considered an old Airstream.
Not from the 80s.
Yeah, yeah,
That
fairly
one
new
looks
one.
old.
Yeah, but I like the Airstreams. Those are cool.
Yeah. And they obviously last a while. All right, so we've checked out the route. We feel pretty confident coming here tomorrow with the RV. The reason we're kind of scared about bringing the RV down these roads is because of the bent frame. So We
It
feel
looks-
pretty confident.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. I mean, there's going to be a few little challenges along the way, but nothing we can't handle, hopefully, as long as the tires don't go out on us. And the frame doesn't decide to just completely collapse or something. It ain't going to be fun, I'll tell you that much.
Yeah, don't jinx us.
We're going to be going 20 miles an hour and pissing everybody off.
Because it's 70 down that road.
Yeah, they're going to be mad, and that's just going to have to be okay.
There's plenty of passing spots.
We don't want to ruin your day. We just don't have any choice. Oh, man.
Some things are out of our control.
Yep, you got to get it here. Hey, I like that guy. He's just a pretty cool guy. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we met the I guess the owner.
The head guy, yeah.
Head guy, Brian, right?
Mm-hmm.
Seems like a really nice guy, and
Obviously knows what he's doing.
And
Look
you
at
got-
all these Airstreams
you
here.
got all these Airstreams here. They must really trust him.
'Cause these
and-
things are not cheap.
Yeah, they're not cheap.
And look,
so-
there's an Avion. And
Yeah.
if I read correctly, they came out before Airstream.
Yeah.
So those are pretty cool as well.
So as much as we love where we're staying, we miss our little house, our little RV. So hung out in there for a little while and played on my phone and stuff just to feel at home. But we're about to take it in a couple of days to have it repaired. So that'll be another, hopefully a couple of days to a week at the most, I'm hoping. And then we'll have it back. Bring it to where we live now, back to where it all started. Can't wait.
Hey, baby.
What you doing?
Getting all the pots and pans out of the rig.
Yep.
They're heavy. They're all stainless steel, triple ply, pretty heavy.
All right. It's getting empty in here. Making progress. All right, it's time to set the bombs to kill the roaches from hell.
Go, go.
All right. Number 2.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's get out of here.
Woohoo! Later. Out of here. I hope that kills those dang roaches. I swear those things are mutants. You can't kill them. Don't ever get roaches in Alabama because they won't die. All right, we're saying goodbye to Miller Creek. Yeah, our storage units are still here, so it's not totally goodbye.
Shotgun and not stuck behind.
I like having company, especially pretty ladies.
So it's kind of nerve-wracking. We're going, what, 40?
Yeah, in a 70.
40 and a 70.
Yeah, because with the frame bent.
We don't want to take any chances.
And the
Tires are kind of melted.
yeah, tires are slightly melted from the shocks rubbing up against them. We're limping.
Yeah.
We're in limp mode.
Not the truck, the RV.
Yeah. So it took us years, but we finally found the RV from Stripes. There it is. It's not looking too good these days.
So it's here.
What do we got? What are you talking about? We got one heavily armed recreational vehicle here, man. Okay, find that truck. Let me find that.
Pretty awesome. Lighten up, Francis.
So here we are again, leaving our RV in a parking lot. Come full circle with this thing.
Yeah.
The good news is they think it's not as bad as we originally thought. So we're gonna wait for them to do their inspections and talk to the insurance company, and we'll know for sure soon. And there she is.
There she is. Mrs. Amara Blimp.
American.
Yeah, not really a blimp, is she?
Oh, she's pretty blimpish.
Yeah, she's pretty
Yeah,
blimpy.
there's another truck coming in. You can see it. So, Michael, what are you doing over here with this big tractor?
All the way down there.
All sorts of things. Oh, we're just leveling out a spot so the Rogers can have their trailer, and once we're done with that, we're just gonna keep mowing and mowing and mowing some more.